Hi Year 11, this week we're looking at closing the gap, so hopefully we'll get everything done, ready for typing up our coursework when we come back after the holidays. So you need to look at what you've covered, as we'll be typing up our assessment very soon. If you've forgotten anything or you're not sure what you've looked at, then please go into folder on the Hodge Hill webpage, into health and social care, and you're looking at Year 10 Unit 1B. That's what we're looking at this term. So what we've looked at so far then, we've identified what an expected or unexpected life event is. So I need you to write down ones that you remember. Do a bit of a brainstorm. Put expected on one side of the page, unexpected on the other. Then we looked at physical events, which are ill health, accidents and injuries. So how could pies be affected here? So how could somebody physically, intellectually, emotionally and socially be affected if they had gone through a physical event? Also, who could have supported them during that time? Then we looked at relationship changes. So we looked at bereavement, we looked at new relationships, marriage, divorce and parenthood. Again, how can pies be affected? So physically, intellectually, emotionally and socially, and who can support those people going through those life events. And then the last one we looked at was life circumstances. So either moving house, school, being made redundant, going through retirement or in prison. Again, how can pies affect those people and who can support them? These things so far that we've looked at, you need to make sure that you know how you could support these people and how pies would be affected during these times, as it could come up in your exam. Then we looked at how somebody deals with that life event. What sort of things, emotions do they go through? How can they adapt to the changes? So if somebody has been through imprisonment, how do they adapt to coming back to civilization and being with people that are going into work? How do they get back into that process? And then last but not least is support. Who can support these people that have been through these life events? So you should have identified formal sources of support, informal, voluntary, and then our last one that we looked at was faith-based. That is everything that we've covered so far on the course. All of this information you will need for when you type up your coursework. So go back through, see what you remember, and upload your brainstorms as you go.